Welcome back to IronRevX. Last time, we explored the sheer passion and aggression of the Lamborghini Revuelto. But today, we meet the German engineer who doesn't shout. He just delivers pure, unadulterated speed. Introducing the most significant change to the nameplate in decades, the 2026 Porsche 911 Turbo S, the 992.2 hybrid. Porsche has finally electrified its most iconic sports car. Was this a necessity, or simply the setting of a new, terrifying benchmark? Let's dive into every crucial detail of this 700-plus horsepower monster. The Turbo S has always been a masterpiece of engineering. Now, for the first time, it's electrified. The engine is still the classic 3.8-liter twin-turbo flat-six, but it's paired with a high-power electric motor integrated directly with the gearbox. What's the biggest advantage? Instantaneous torque. Before any turbo lag can creep in, the electric motor delivers its full force, filling the power gap perfectly. The result is a jaw-dropping acceleration, 0 to 60 miles per hour or 100 kilometers per hour, in potentially less than 2.3 seconds. The total power output comfortably exceeds 700 horsepower. This hybrid system doesn't just add power, it fundamentally changes the delivery of power, making the car faster, smoother, and incredibly responsive when exiting corners. As for fuel efficiency, while better city mileage is expected, let's be honest, those who buy a Turbo S are looking for a mileage of smiles, not kilometers per liter. When it comes to design, the 911 always favors evolution over revolution. In the new 992.2, the changes are subtle but significant. You'll notice a redesigned front bumper featuring new active aero vents and refined air intakes necessary to feed this powerful hybrid engine at the rear. The taillight strip is sleeker and more minimal, but the real magic lies in the chassis. The Turbo S comes standard with rear axle steering, which makes the car nimble at low speeds and incredibly stable at high speeds. This is complemented by the Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control, PDCC, which virtually eliminates body roll during hard cornering. To manage the slight increase in weight from the hybrid components, the braking system has been retuned. And of course, the optional carbon ceramic brakes, PCCB, are there to stop this brute in an instant moving inside the cabin. It retains the classic 911 layout, but is packed with tech upgrades. The biggest change is the shift to a fully digital instrument cluster. The old analog tachometer is gone, replaced by a configurable screen where you can now monitor all the crucial hybrid system data. The infotainment screen is larger and more responsive. But importantly, Porsche has maintained its driver focus. Every control remains within easy reach, ensuring your attention is always on the road. The GT steering wheel and carbon fiber trim throughout the cabin constantly remind you of its performance intent. The 18-way adjustable adaptive sport seats are designed to hold you firmly during high-G maneuvers. This isn't a cabin built for show like some of its rivals. It's a cabin built to inspire you to drive. Truly deserves the title of everyday supercar. So, what is the final verdict? The launch of the Turbo S Hybrid is a powerful statement. It proves that you can have both brutal performance and improved efficiency in one package. While pricing is expected to start around $230,000, its performance rivals the absolute best. This is the car you can drive daily to the office and then dominate the track on the weekend. This is the new definition of an ultimate supercar. We've seen the Revuelto and the Turbo S Hybrid. Which one will find a home in your dream garage? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to IronRevX, and I'll catch you in the next super review. Peace out.